Early Sunday morning, we are on the way to BR Hills. Billy?
Biligiri Ranganapet.
Okay. All of us, four of us, five of us are all on the way. That is the temple. Quite near. Reach in 5 minutes, I guess. Let's see what is there in store there. So from that junction, which is the bus stop, it's hardly say 2-3 kilometers uphill. You can see the betta on top, the hill on top, or the temple on top. And I think it is walkable, but then since we have a car, we are driving up. Hardly 2-3 bends, that's it. And we are at the top of it. To repeat, we are going up BR Hills, Billigiri Ranganna Hills is the full form, and this has become a forest zone, I guess from the 70s. Okay, so now it is under the forest jurisdiction completely. So that's it, and we're almost there. I can see the steps already. A couple of cars parked. Let's park. So as in any temple, puja happens here. So kind of all the materials being sold there. It's not a very long trek up. It is just a short one. Primitive steps painted in Hindu colors. That's a bowl. I think the beggar's gone for a break. Our friends climbing up. So this is towards the backside or the main part of this hill, except for the worship shrine, they say is the view. So we're trying to go there. A lot of new temples under construction. They don't look that old. A broken gate. A lot of modifications kind of thing. See, all this looks new. All these temples, again, just like I said, they're under construction. They don't look the ancient ones being renovated, they don't look like that, but they look under construction actually. Maybe newer temples, maybe more focused towards worship. Maybe they'll put up idols inside. Let's see what happens in a year's time or so. A short walk, and it should lead us to the backside or the viewpoint, or what is most famous, it looks on the right. That's the entrance to the backside or the main part of this BR Hills. That is the old BR Hills, or this was the ancient structures what was there here before. The rest what we saw before this is being constructed now for worship purposes. Maybe there was an idol before, but the temples are being constructed now. So the old generation, it used to be like this, the exact top of the hill. Here it looks old. The trees look old, the small statues look old, and the view is awesome. All four sides. See, all these items look real old, the mandap kind of thing. See, that is the old sculpture. Old mandap. So that is what I was meaning. These look old. Of course, they put a compound now, maybe for safety reasons. Looks a little weird for the camera, compounds and things like that. But that is very important. So as I was telling, this is the view. So this is what this place is famous now for. People come here for this view because this is, I think, the highest hill here, or the betta here, what we call in Kannada, and beautiful cliffs, beautiful view of the people down, or places down. Look at the township there. From there is where we came up. I told you, a couple of hairpin beds up. That from that place, that is the town. So this is a specialty here, and believers believe that, if a couple doesn't have children for a long time, and if they would come here, pray sincerely, of course, and write in their names here, or chip in their names in the rocks, the probability of God blessing them is huge. So people follow a lot of rocks to be yet to be written, a lot of places there. And if you're not strong enough, you can still inscribe them on the mandaps. People have, people who didn't find time to chip their names have just written it down here. So this is a practice they follow here, and this is what the temple is famous for. Another view, it is almost like a cliffhanger movie. If you had a drone, you could have made it fly and got it, but very steep cliff. That's no wonder they put a compound all through the place. Very steep, very high, and the view from here is mesmerizing, to say the least. Simply awesome. As I say in all my vlogs, come enjoy the place. There's no other way to describe it. Inscriptions are not that much, as I told. I think these are all newly constructed buildings, or buildings to hold it. So this looks like another of those traditions, something to do with women, or married life, or something like that. I'm not sure of this because they've tied bangles here and I don't know the story. We had come in early in the morning, so the puja was not, the shrine was not open. So right now it is open, so we are doing this offering. We're not supposed to cover the shrine. In most places it is like that, so we don't want to cross rules and do something here. So puja and the offerings, we will pray. We'll pray for all of you also. And that sums it up, and a short drive back to the bus stop. It is hardly 2 kilometers from the bus stop here. So given a bus also, it is comfortable to come up and go and see people are walking up. So please do subscribe. Let me visit more places and put same videos or similar videos or better videos at least.